my dear students. Good morning to all. Today's our subject is EVS. Today we want to discuss about a new topic. What is that? Our neighborhood. First we want to know what is neighbors. What do you mean by neighbors? Do you know that? Yes, I will explain what is neighbors. Neighbors means the people who live us in the same area are called neighbors. I will again explain. The people who live near us in the same area are called neighbors. Then in our area we want to post office, market, school, police station, etc. we want. That area totally we can call it our neighborhood. That is, we want to discuss about what is our neighborhood. What is the important places of in our neighborhood that we want to discuss in one by one. Listen here. First we can discuss about our neighborhood.
Places in our neighborhood. We can discuss first one, market. We buy fruits, vegetables, pulses, grains and other things for our everyday use from the market. We buy these things from the shops and stalls in the neighborhood market. The next important places in of our neighborhood, hospital. We go to the nearest hospital or clinic when we get hurt or fall ill. The doctors and the nurses in the hospital give us medicine, take care of us and help us get well. The other important place is police station. A police station is the office of the local police. The police help to keep our neighborhood safe from thieves and robbers. They make sure that we obey the laws and live peacefully with each other. The other important place is bank. We keep our money and jewelry in the banks. Banks keep these things safe for us. Banks also lend money to people to buy a house, a car or land. Many neighborhoods have an ATM. An ATM is an automatic machine that allows people to take out their money anytime. The next important places in our neighborhood, post office. We go to the neighborhood post office when we want to send letters to our friends and relatives. We buy stamps at the post office. We also send money and parcels by post. The postman brings our letters to our homes. The next important places of our neighborhood, fire station. When we see a big fire, we call the fire station in the neighborhood. People in the fire station are called firefighters. They come in a fire engine and help to put out the fire. The next important places is that school. A school is an educational institution designed to provide learning spaces and learning environments for the teaching of students or pupils under the direction of a teacher. Most countries have systems of formal education which is commonly compulsory. In these systems, students progress through a series of schools.
We want to discuss about our chapter, our lesson, how we can read it, what are the important matters is there. We want to read that, so listen here.
Okay, my dear students, you can take your textbook page number 24, our fourth chapter, our neighborhood. We can start reading. Listen here. The area around my house is known as my neighborhood. In a good neighborhood, everyone cooperates and cares for others. We must have good relations with our neighbors. Listen, we already studied what is neighborhood. Then we want to ask help them and they also want to ours helps. That is, cooperates and cares for others. The next one, put a tick or cross in the circles. You can listen your textbook. First I read one. I help my neighbors in times of emergency. That is correct or not. We can tick that yellow circle. I help my neighbors in times of emergency. That is do's that we want to do in our neighbors. Then second one, I talk politely to my neighbors. I talk politely to my neighbors. That is correct or not? Yes, very good. It is correct. You can tick that yellow column. The next one, I throw garbage in front of my neighbor's house. That is a misbehave. So we can cross that. We can cross in the circle. The next one, I listen to music at a loud volume that we can disturbance of our neighbors, so this don't play like that. We can cross in that yellow column. The next one, I have many friends in my neighborhood. I play with them in the evening in the park. All the children play in someone's house if the weather is not good. I have many friends in my neighborhood. Here is one student say that he has many friends in his neighborhood and he play with in the evening park. All the children play in someone's house if the weather is not good. Sometime rain is there or they can't play in ground, so they play with someone's house if the weather is not good. Okay, next we can discuss take care of your neighborhood. How we can take care of your neighborhood? What we want to listen for that? Listen. First one, never throw papers, toffee wrappers, fruits and vegetables peels around your house. What do you mean by that? Never throw papers. We don't do that. Papers, toffees or wrappers or fruits or vegetables peels around your house, you can put in your waste bin. Okay. Then second one, do not spoil your neighbor's plants. Don't spoil your neighbor's plants or trees. The next one, third one, do not play with a ball where it can hurt someone or break windows panes. Do not play with a ball. You can play with ball but not hurt someone's or break window panes of others. Then fourth one, do not disturb your neighbors by shouting or by increasing the volume of television, music or loudspeaker. You can always keeping silent in your neighborhood. Don't disturb of others. We can manage our sound in our house. The next one, my friend Ekta lives in Puducherry. Here, one student explained his friends. Who's that name? Ekta. He lives in Puducherry. I went to her house with my parents in the summer vacations. It's a beautiful place on the seashore. He went to summer vacation his friend Ekta's house in Puducherry. It's nearby a seashore. It's a beautiful place. The next one, her home was near a small post office. Her home was near a small post office. The postmaster was selling stamps, postcards, envelopes, aerograms, etc. We already see that important places of our neighborhood. I already explained what is post office. The next one, she took me to the police station to meet her uncle. He was a constable. He was writing a report. Next, they visit police station. Her uncle is a constable, so he write one report. Then we went to the market with Ekta's mother. There were many small stalls. Ekta's mother bought some vegetables and fish. Then we went to the market with Ekta's mother. They went to market with her mother. There were many stalls. Small stalls is there. Then Ekta's mother bought some vegetables and fish for them. On the way back, Ekta showed me her school. It was a nice old building. They see her school. It is a very nice and old building. We passed by a beautiful temple. Temple means one devotional place. A woman was selling roses and garlands at the gate of the temple.
So, in our chapters, some activities there we want to do that. So, listen here, we can complete our all activities itself. Okay. Okay, my dear students, we can start our activities. Take your page number, in your textbook page number 26, activity 2. What is that? Weighing time. How can you weigh these? Match accordingly. Listen, first one, milk, bananas, tomatoes. The second column, kilograms, liter and dozen. Then milk. How we can buy in milk? Kilogram, liter, dozen. How we can buy? Yes, very good. Liter. We can buy in liter. Then bananas. How we can buy in bananas? Kilograms or dozen? We can use in kilograms and dozen, but here we can write in dozen. Why? Why here tomato is there? Tomato only we can buy in kilograms. But bananas we can ask in 2 bananas, 3 bananas. This like we can buy in shop. But tomato we can't buy in 2 or 3 tomatoes. So we can matching tomatoes in kilogram and bananas in dozen. Okay, I hope you can understand this one. I will again explain. Milk, liter, bananas, dozen, and tomatoes in kilograms. Okay, my dear students, we can start our next work, exercise number 2. Name the person who. Some question is there. You want to find out which is the person is there. You want to find out which is the person is there. First one, give us medicines when we are sick. Who give us when we are sick in medicines? Who give us medicine for when we are in sick? Who give us? Doctor. Very good, doctor. The next one, second question, makes the design for our homes. Makes the design for our homes. Who design our homes? Do you know that? Yes, very good, architect. Third question, looks after our property. Looks after our property. Without our absence, in our absence, who looks after our property? Yes, our parents or our grandparents. The fourth question, rings the bell in school. Rings the bell in a school. Who rings the bell in our school? Do you know that person? Yes, very good, peon. Who is that? Peon. Then fifth one, teaches us to read and write. Who teaches us to read and write? Do you know that person name? Yes, very good, teacher. Next we can discuss about the third exercise, where do they work? Some person name is there and one clue box is also there. We want to find out the persons, where do they work? Okay, first one, names. Here clue box, fire station, railway station, hospital, road and post office. The working place of names is that? Yes, very good, hospital. The next one, traffic policeman. Where do they work in traffic policeman? Fire station, railway station, post office. Where do they work? Yes, very good, road. Then third one, postman. Postman, where they work? Which are the workplace of postman? Yes, very good, post office. The next one, fireman. It is very easy for find out that fire station. The next one, coolie. Any job is we can include in coolie. Railway station we can see the porter, some like coolie is there. We can write in coolie is the railway station. I again read, listen. Names, hospital, traffic policeman, road, postman, post office, fireman, fire station, then coolie, railway station. Next you can turn in your textbook page number 28. Do it yourself. Do it yourself. First question, name 3 shops that you visit often and 1 item that you buy. Again I read that question. Name 3 shops that you visit often and 1 item that you buy. You can write it 3 shops names. Then 3 item also you can write here. For example, you visit one cool bar. What you get there? Ice cream or bakery items, juice. This like you can got it. You can write there any one there. For another example, one textile shops. What you get there? Clothes. We can write there clothes. The another one, footwear. We are visiting footwear. What we get? Shoes and sandals. Shoes and sandals or chappals. We can write there. Anyone is there. Okay, this like we can complete that one. I hope you can understand today's our class. We can wind up our class. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.